The First Coast's most accurate forecast from the First Coast News Weather Team, certified by Weather Rate, sponsored by AC Designs.
Well, let's see where today's numbers stacked up. We had a high of 92 degrees this afternoon, which is technically a degree above the average of 91, nowhere near the record of 99. But we also have to take into account that we had lower humidity again today. So our feels like temperatures also stayed generally in the lower 90s as opposed to feeling like 100 plus degrees, which is also more typical for this time of year. So it felt fairly nice, all things considered. And out there right now, it also feels good with temperatures in the 70s and the low 80s. Now tonight, lows are going to drop down into the lower 70s, lows right near 72 degrees before we warm up quickly. And the humidity is back tomorrow and you will feel it. We have a high temperature tomorrow around 95 degrees. Heat index values up to around 101 degrees. If you're going to the beach, hot there too, highs in the 90s, and there's a rip current risk again tomorrow, so please be aware of that. If you're trying to take a dip in the ocean to cool down, be aware of those seas out there. Now maybe you're going to the Jumbo Shrimp game tomorrow, 5:05 p.m. It will be toasty. 5 o'clock, 93 degrees, but still feeling like the triple digits. And then even by 7 p.m., it will still be feeling like the middle 90s out there, even though our temperatures will be dropping down into the 80s. So it will be warm. Then storm chances will come back. So during the day, I can't rule out a few passing showers. We have about that 20% chance there. But notice the rain chances tick up for the evening and nighttime hours. So we will be watching for a line of storms to move into southeast Georgia. Your rain chances are higher in southeast Georgia than northeast Florida, and also your risk of some strong storms a bit higher across southeast Georgia too. But again, these are the nighttime hours. After sunset, we will have showers and storms push from north to south across the First Coast. So first in Georgia, then down into Florida. The Storm Prediction Center has highlighted parts of our area for a risk of severe weather. Those of you in yellow, so including Waycross, that's a level 2 out of 5 when it comes to the severe weather risk, also known as slight. And then the green is marginal, which is a level 1 risk. But with any of these storms that move through, we could have winds of 40 to 60 miles an hour, small hail, heavy rain that could lead to some localized flooding and frequent lightning. Now our rain chances will stick around on Monday. We will have scattered thunderstorms on Monday, and then some drier air will move in on Tuesday with that front before we get the winds coming out of the coastal breeze kicking in, bringing back some moisture and creating some higher rain chances again for the rest of the work week. But our temperatures are going to drop down with temperatures back down into the 80s by Wednesday and Thursday. Quick check on Ernesto. It is now a tropical storm, still bringing tropical storm conditions to Bermuda. It is expected to strengthen again back into a Category 1 hurricane by later on Sunday. No impacts to us once we get rid of that rip current risk. Our 7-day forecast shows it is hot and humid again tomorrow.
Thank you, Lee.